Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from across the pond. I've got Mr. Lee's Noodles, and these are actually going to be showing up here in the US. They're actually going to start manufacturing them here as well. This one is Zen Garden Vegetables. I can't remember. There's two varieties that they make that aren't going to be available here, but a bunch of them are. So let's get started. So the first thing you're supposed to do is shake these. They've been shaken during transit and shaken during taking it out, putting it back in, all that stuff. So I'm guessing that'll do. And it mentions, what does it say here? Fill me up to here, less for firm, more for soupy. Fill me up to here. So there's a fill line, so you can make it a little less soupy. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's right about there. And it's 3 minutes. And my daughter's a chatterbox today, so be warned of that. There we go. And I'm going to, just because I'm trying out this firm action. Oh, they kind of work well. I figured I'd give them a quick stir. It's not extremely less water, just a little bit. So I'll put this on top like so, and yeah, we're cooking. So all our snow is gone. It's Friday, and yeah, so that's about all that's really going on today, other than these noodles. I'm gonna do another one today as well, see how they come out. But yeah, just had this runny nose for a long time, and I'm just really worn down and tired. Found out though today that I've lost another 2 pounds. So I started at 365 pounds and now I'm at 216. So one more to go to 150. And yeah, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Did a bunch of apartment laps this morning. Really getting burnt out on that. Looking forward to hoping next week can get up and get back outside and walking again. So yeah, that's kind of where it is at the moment. It looks like things have calmed down a little bit in the Instant Noodle, the Ramen Raider group on Facebook, so that's good. What else? So these things use freeze-dried add-ons. So there's rice noodles, and then there's these freeze-dried vegetables, and then you got the seasoning. And freeze-dried is a different animal than dehydrated. Freeze-dried ends up being, it just seems a lot more fresh. It kind of bounces back to life a lot better. So that's something you'll notice when you try these. This one is vegan friendly. They don't have any palm oil. They're like kind of for the healthy minded, so that's neat. And yeah, yup. Oh, I'm tired. I'll admit it. I am beat. Just got my boy on the bus and my daughter's watching Hello Kitty on YouTube. And now she's shrieking. That's kind of her thing. She likes to make a lot of noise, and it's all right, but it can be enough to make you want to jump out of your skin sometimes. Yeah, check this out. Wow, it's a lot of vegetables. It looks nice. So I'm going to give it a little stir. She is in there yammering up a storm. Alright. So let's see how these noodles hydrated. Sometimes rice noodles just don't do all that well, but these look nice and soft. Yeah. Very nice. Hit the broth. Definitely has a... Doesn't look all that... I mean, it's thin, but it looks like it's got a lot of stuff going on. Interesting. I'm going to dump this in the pot. Noticing a little didn't... Yeah, I gave it a good stir. There's still a bunch in there, so I'm going to get that out. That's kind of a thing. I've always found that the taller the cup, the more stirring you really got to do. So we'll see how it works on the next one I do. They've got 6 varieties that they sent that are manufactured in the UK. Like I said, not all of those are going to be made in the US, but yeah. Here we go. And yeah, let's use this bowl. It has a cat on the bottom of it. This one came from Taiwan. Whoa. That need tightened? It does. Perfect. I gotta say, I'm still really happy. Thank you to my lovely wife, Kit, for this tribe or monopod thing. It makes life doing this so much easier. She's really done great for Christmas presents in the last 2 years. I'm feeling like a slouch. But yeah, here's how it looks. Unadulterated. All sorts of vegetables and stuff going on. I want another bite. I want another bite. What's this? I don't know. Corn? If that's corn, that's a big chunk of corn. Must be tofu. No, that's broccoli. Rad. I remember they put a lot of broccoli in this stuff. And it comes out nice. Looks like a pea, perhaps? Green bean. But yeah, cool. Let's let Rotato weave its wonderful magic. If I get this thing centered. Oh, now she's complaining that it's not playing the right thing on YouTube. So she's gonna yammer about that. No Mickey Mouse, just Hello Kitty. I see. So here, let's watch this thing rotate, and I'll make it so she, so the universe is working in her best interests, at least as far as she's concerned. very much to the folks over at Mr. Lee's Noodles in the UK for shooting this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.